think computers have made people lazy?
While computers have made some tasks easier, I wouldn't say they have made people lazy overall. Computers have certainly automated many tasks, which has led to increased efficiency and productivity. However, they have also opened up new opportunities for learning, creativity, and collaboration. For instance, computers have revolutionized the way people work by enabling remote work, which has provided more flexibility and opportunities for people to balance their personal and professional lives. That being said, it's essential for individuals to find a balance between relying on computers and maintaining an active lifestyle to avoid becoming too sedentary or dependent on technology.
How do you think computers will evolve in the future?
In the future, computers will likely become more powerful, more integrated into our daily lives, and more reliant on artificial intelligence. As technology continues to advance, we can expect computers to become smaller and more energy efficient, allowing for seamless integration into various aspects of our lives, such as wearable technology and smart homes. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence will enable computers to perform tasks with greater autonomy and learn from data to improve their capabilities. For example, quantum computing, which is currently being researched, has the potential to revolutionize the computing industry by solving complex problems exponentially faster than traditional computers. Another possible evolution is the increased development of virtual and augmented reality technologies, which could further blur the line between the digital and physical worlds, enhancing various aspects of our lives from entertainment to education.
Do you think children should learn how to use computers at school?
Yes, I believe that children should learn how to use computers at school. In today's digital age, computer literacy is a crucial skill that can help children excel academically and professionally. Learning how to use computers effectively enables students to access information, develop problem-solving skills, and engage in creative expression. For instance, teaching children to use word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software prepares them for future academic projects and professional tasks, while also providing them with opportunities to develop their critical thinking and communication skills. However, it's essential to find a balance between using computers as a learning tool and maintaining traditional teaching methods to ensure that children receive a well-rounded education that includes social, emotional, and physical development alongside technological proficiency.